Listen up, all content creators. Kasi everything has changed sa TikTok algorithm. Like, completely. Basura na yung old playbook natin, burn it, and let's move forward. So, mag-grow, mag-viral, or kahit gusto mo lang ng solid na community. You need to hear this out kung gusto mong malaman. Follow mo muna ako para updated ka sa mga content na katulad nito na makakatulong sa'yo. TikTok wants you to think like a leader, not just a creator. Hindi lang yung kung anong content yung patok, kundi kung anong klase ng tao yung gusto mong matulungan. And here's what I noticed. Creators who are growing right now, hindi sila sobrang perfect, hindi sila sobrang galing, but they are clear. Klaro sila sa vibe, klaro sila sa message, at saka sa audience nila. Yung kahit low views today, alam nilang may silbi yung content nila. Kaya consistent pa rin sila, kaya tumatagal sila. Meanwhile, may mga creators na puro baka mag-viral to mindset, yun yung mga bilis nagbe-burnout. Ubusan ng energy, walang direksyon. Pakit today, tapos sabay ghosting tomorrow. If that's you, okay lang yun. Lahat naman tayo dumadaan sa ganun. Pero let this be your sign, mag-rebrand ka. Rebrand to someone who creates meaning. Rebrand to someone na kahit 30 views lang today, alam mong may meaning yun at may value yun sa mga tamang tao. And here's the tip na ayaw masyadong sinishare ng iba. If you wanna go viral today, create a video that feels like a private conversation. Yung parang nag-uusap lang kayo ng kaibigan mo. Yung parang may isa kang kausap lang na tao. Tipong, uy best, pakinggan mo to. Kasi ang dami ng trying to perform talaga. Pero kaunti pa lang yung talagang nagko-connect. At kung hindi ka pa convinced, the algorithm is not here to validate your ego. It's here to reward your energy, your real retribution, your real community. So kung ready ka na, go to the comment section at mag-comment ka dyan na I'm building with intention. I want you to own that identity. Kasi once na alam mo na to, ibang level na ng content game ang papasukin mo. The question now is not magba-viral ba to? But, deserve ba niya algorithm na mapanood to? Kasi kung oo, siguradong hindi niya to papalampasin. Create for connection, not just for attention. At yun, ang secret weapon mo. Don't forget to save this video para ma-remind ka ulit. Kita kits!